Okay, y'all. I'm so excited because this week's Pop Mystery, Kirsten actually requested it for it to come out because it might align with something she's doing, but like, it's so good. So that's why there's 2 kits here. Normally I'm gonna try and do Pop Mysteries every other week. I just have so many of them, like pop culture art. Like I was hoarding, like I had over like 13, like I had a lot of art. And some of them I had like 2 colorways for. This one, oh God, it's so good. We'll just see. We'll get towards that at the end. I also have a lot of grab baggy type things in Destash boxes, which we might do that before we do everything else, just to show you what's up. But let's go ahead and start at the top. All of these things will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's start with the color of the week since it's on the top. This is like the same glitter texture that we've been doing for the past couple of weeks, but this is a gorgeous purple. Imagine this during like Halloween time or just with any kit that has a purple in it. It is just so fabulous. I love this glitter texture, so you're going to see it a couple more times because I'm obsessed and y'all are too based on the sales of them. But like, ugh. So this comes in the normal 6 Scribblers. Those can be purchased a la carte and those are only available, this colorway is only available Wednesday. And we're going to show you these backwards. Wednesday through Sunday. Limited edition. I don't ever bring these colorways back and they're just so stinking good. We're on color 80, which is kind of wild. But y'all love these. So these Scribblers are available a la carte. The doodle sheets are available a la carte, but then are also available as a buy all with a little discount on there if you want to purchase the doodles. Then we have some new Scribblers for this week. So we did have like the boy Scribblers and now we have the emotion ones for the gals, the main characters. So we have the grinning and then the lover ones with like the little heart eyes. And this is number 50 and 51. So these come in again, the normal 6 Scribbler colorways. So stinking cute. We're getting closer to the couple ones. I know everybody's waiting on those ones. Oh wait, did I mess something up? Or no, yeah, these are like also shocked with the heart eyes. There's a hair. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So cute. Then we have some new characters for this week. This week we have 3. So this is number 91, which is Pocahontas. Zoom even a little bit, a smidge. Pocahontas. 92, which is Mulan, and 93, which is Jasmine. So cute, so perfect. And then we also have some new doodles for this week. All of these are exclusive doodles. So this is 714, which is a shark. 715, and a lot of these were requests. 715, which is a Walgreens bag. 716, which is an Ulta bag, which I just went to Ulta for the first time in like years. Then there's also 717, which is Sephora. 718, which is a hockey stick. 719, which is a really thicky funnel cake. And 720, which is an elephant. So cute. Love those. I have a bunch more exclusive doodles coming. I think I did like 20 some in one go. I'll show you all the Destash box stuff last, or Destash things. So I added a bunch of new items. So very excited about that. And just some general restocks I'll have. Then let's go into the foil bundle. This week is so fun because it's our first mixed metal star foil bundle, and this is Golden Champagne Lights. Had to do the like most popular combo all together first. So this is the star foil bundle. We have it in I think the core colors so far, and now I'm going to be releasing it in the gold and Golden Champagne Lights combo. This is going to match so much. It actually matched the mystery that's coming out really beautifully. I don't know actually what foil I paired with the mystery. I think I did. See next month's mystery, which spots are open. When you see the spots will be open now. It's a core foil. I do feel like it matches, but I feel like both of them would match, like the foil that comes with it, but also this would match it as well if you want to get that with that in mind. But again, this is the Star Mixed Metal Gold Champagne Lights. Will be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. So stinking pretty. Then let me show you the 2 kits and then we'll go over the Pop Mystery. The first kit here is back to school. So this is more based on like a kiddie school. We did have like the Scholar Society, which was more based on like an older school. This is more like a kiddie school. So it does come in mini and ultimate. So let's go ahead and flip through the ultimate kit here. I love these colors. This has a lot of foil possibilities. I love the yellow. So you have the 2 fashion options up here. You have the classroom, welcome to class. You have the little like teacher gift, the first day of school, the cookies, the crayons, etc. The charcuterie board. It's just a super cute kit with really, really fun colors. The front of the school, really fun patterns. And I think I'm probably going to use this for back to school week. I love the smileys, the grid, the extra box there, which is kind of just like the classroom. So stinking cute. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is the extra boxes, which are just 2 more unique boxes. Just when you have like kind of like the cinnamon roll ABC like little things on top breakfast, like sparklers type candle things, and the Target bag, so kind of like prepping. And then you have like the teacher box, so you have the little sweatshirt, the little purse, and some crafts and a cookie. Super cute, lots of boxes to choose from. Definitely can also do a non-fashion person spread with those extra boxes in there as well. Then let me show you the add-on options for this. So you do have the Doodle, you have the functional, you have the ombre, the label, then there is also label 2, which is an orange, and then you have the fashion. So you have a tall and then 2 regular size boxes, as well as 3 different fam boxes. So this is fam 1, which has the light skin tone. And then you have fam 2, which has the medium skin tone. So you have back to school with the 2 different kiddos, teacher magic with like a teacher bag. And then this one says first day of a quiet and clean house and first day of school. And then you have fam 3 with the deeper skin tone there as well. So that is back to school. And then last but not least, oh my gosh, Jess told me she was doing this art and I was like, yeah, this can be cute. But whenever I put this in the kit, I was like, oh my gosh, when the full boxes were done, I was like, oh my gosh, this is Ye Old Fair. And my goodness, is this so stinking pretty. I think this would be really pretty with an orange, copper, or like a navy, or not navy, olive, or a brown, or there's just a lot of foil options here, or like a gold, sparkly gold, silver, matte bronze, matte silver, like any foil color, copper, would look so good with this. Oh. Burgundy, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a struggle, but we're gonna figure it out eventually. So you have these full boxes, which let me just give you a little close up. The turkey leg. I don't even like the turkey legs. I love this box too. It's so pretty. I love that the wings were see-through so you could kind of see behind them. Oh, it's so good. Perfect for like a Renaissance fair. Oh, and I just love these colors. Jess was like, I knew you'd love this green, which I actually color changed this paper because there was no specific paper that had this like color in bulk. It was like a lighter green in the paper. I color changed the paper because I loved this green. The hat with the jewels, and then the shield with the arrows. I really just feel like you're telling a story with this. I love this bottom washi. I was looking through all those patterns and I was like, oh yeah, that's pretty, that's pretty. And then I'm like, wait, I love doing like a hedge background and then this for like a quote box. Ugh, obsessed. And then the ultimate and mini is both going to come with this tall box, which I'm also obsessed with. This was in 2 different colors, but I thought with this background, doing the lighter color, bringing this up so then it was like green on the bottom. Oh, it's just so good. So that's the kit. It will come in ultimate and mini. And then let me show you the add-ons. So there is Doodle, there is ombre, functional, label 2, darker if you want to bring that out. There is also the fashion, which has another fashion option. And then you also have fam. So you have the normal 6 fam options, which are just so cute. I love the little like fairy. Adorable. So that is Ye Old Fair. Next, let's talk about the Pop Mystery. This one is just so good, so close to my heart, and there's so many different things. Like, I would honestly, like, consider saving this for my birthday next year. I was also thinking about using it for Kane's birthday this year. I was thinking about using it for back to school. I was thinking about using it for all the things. And this one, I'm going to do something different with. I will tell you it's going to come in an ultimate, a mini, a doodle, functional, label 2, label, and ombre. So no fashion options because it's another fashion heavy box. I'm going to just show you this one. And it's going to not be a pop mystery. But if you want to do a pop mystery, skip 30 seconds, okay? Starting now. Okay, they had time to skip. Ready? Okay, that's all I'm going to show you, okay? Are you freaking out? I'm freaking out. And I'm thinking of all the different things Plana Hannah has that I could pair with it. And my gosh. And there's 2 more character boxes that are freebie. So 2 other, not like main, but like side super cute characters. That's all I'm gonna do. If you didn't, I'm gonna I don't know, I could talk for 30 seconds, but if you skipped ahead and you want to know some hints, it's a cartoon show from the 90s that was like my literal favorite kids cartoon show. So hope you like it. It'll be available Wednesday through Sunday. Then let's get to the Destash stuff. So I do have a Destash box. I don't have a lot of them. Let me tell you exactly how many I have of them, because I just went in and did these one day whenever Nick was like doing other stuff. And if you want to know pricing, I'll try and remember to put it in the description. If not, I will yell at me and I'll do it. The Destash boxes, I only have 18 of these, but let me go ahead and show you this. This is an example, but it's also like a base of what you'd get. It is like a Destash box that is like, it's not like every box is going to be random. It is like a set formula of what's going in it. Okay. So this Destash box is going to have 6 pieces of washi, one of the Rose Color Days overlays. It's going to have I think this is the 10-pack of scripts. It's going to have 2 foil bundles, a 10-piece sticker grab bag. It's going to have I think this is a 10-piece foil grab bag, a bow clip. It's going to have 3 transparent sticky notes. It's going to have the bow vinyl pack. Yeah, those are all vinyls. It's going to have one of the print pression pocket lockets, 2 different pins, 3 different vinyls, 4 different ultimate kits. They are older format, and these ones are, I don't think these are misfits, but I'll put their misfits just to cover my own booty, but I don't think that they're misfits. And then also a album. So there's only going to be 18 of these, so I think that they probably will go fast. But I'm going to try and do some more Destash boxes because I really have like, not a lot, but I have a lot of stuff that I can, trying to get rid of. So even if they have like more foil in the future, because I don't have a lot of like little things left, I have a lot of like foil. So even if we do like foil Destash boxes in the future, I think that could be really fun. But again, I only have 18 of these, so I assume those will go fast, and those will have to be ordered by themselves. No coupon codes, and I will put that like bold on the text because those will already be packaged up and ready to go. And then everything else can be ordered regularly, coupons with other items. So these are all just going to be grab bags. So the first thing here is something that we already have in shop, but I figured I'd just bring it home just in case you're ever wondering kind of like what the stitch is. And it is the full box grab bags, and I'll put all of these in the new releases. So this is just 10 sheets of full boxes, and this is just obviously an example of what you could get. These are all misfits. So this is just a random selection, and then one of them can be a fashion box. So that is the full box grab bag. Then we have I think we also have Scribbler ones to put up. Let me double check my stock list. There's not a lot of those, but I do have Scribbler grab bags to put up. And those will also be, where's my stock list? Those are like Scribbler 1 through 6. The amount ranges from 7 to 13 as far as how many I have of them. All of the ones that I'm showing you now, the full box grab bags, we only have 39, but everything else has like a pretty good 100 to 200 stock. So this one here is a Doodle grab bag. And I think we do have Doodle grab bags in the shop, but this is just going to be a variety. So, or no, this will be Doodle Extras grab bag. So I'm going to like have to differentiate because the other ones are like Doodles, like could be like a la carte. This is like the Doodle add-on, which I feel like is like a pretty big differentiating because those could be anything, and these are just the Doodle add-ons. So this is the Force, Strawberry, Ew David, August 2022 Mystery, Jurassic Park, Sugar Bunny, Shamrock, Parent Trap, Fun in the Sun, and Pixie Grove 2. These are kind of a mixture of Misfit and Overstock. I'm going to advertise them, though, as Misfit, but they're going to be Misfit and Overstock. Then we have functional. So I'm not going to open these. These are just functional and ombre. So actually I will. Just in case you're like wondering what it could look like. So this is Candyland, Cherry Blossom, Bluey, Birthday Bash, Game Night, Breakfast in Bed, Barbecue, Dinosaur, Ew David, and Phone Home. So we have those, and again, just an example of what you could get. Ombre, again, 10 sheets. This is Sleigh Bells, Snowcation, Polar Express, Thankful, Seasons Creeping, Birthday Bash, Cozy Up, Vegas, The Force, and Under the Weather. This is great to like build your stash, build your extras, or if you have like you Franken plan. This is label sampler, so this is going to be like the new label sampler. We still have the old ones, which are like the strips in shop, but this will be the new one. So this is Beach Bliss, Autumn Home, Travel, Haunted Manor, Not So Scary, Love is Love 2, Let's Have a Seance, Sanderson Sisters, Golden Woods, and Goonies. So it could be either the label 1 or label 2. And then last but not least, we have the fashion grab bags. And this we have, this was from Little Witch. This was from the Aloha Mora kit, Baby Shark, Superhero. What was this one called? I had like a Kristen Kindle, I don't know. This was the, what was it called? But it was like the Mother's Day version. The Oh Baby, We Did It, Magic Land, and Brunch. So just a variety of fashion boxes. Also could get these in trade with people. Use them for different spreads. Again, Franken planning, but I just figured we've never done fashion ones, so I might as well go ahead and try. And also we've never done these ones. And then the label is just a new version. Doodles, like a kind of a second version. So that is everything. And then also, like I said, we do have the Destash boxes. Those must be ordered alone with no coupon codes, as well as the Scribbler ones. The Scribbler ones, like I said, there's not like a lot of them, along with the full box grab bags. There's not a lot of either. So if you want to get your hands on those, I definitely would do so ASAP. And that, my friends, is everything for this week, along with the Pop Mystery and the Destash box. So that is everything, and I will talk to you on my next one.